Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial of CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. In this session, we are going to discuss what is router and how it works, router hardware overview, router ports, and router internal components. First, we will start with what is router. Here we are discussing CCNA, the old devices and its basic already covered in entry-level certification. So here I am just telling what is router. A router is a networking device that forward data packets between computer networks. Usually when we are connecting computers within local area, we use switch as a network device. And when we are connecting two networks, one network is in a specific area and another one is some other locality. Then we need a router. Normally, a securing network traffic, small and medium-sized companies also using routers. A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. As a network engineer, you must know what are the functions of router. A router is basically a network device. It works on layer 3 of OSI model. Learn more about OSI model from the basics of networking. It is completely theory part. I am avoiding and going forward. The next function is route the packet from one computer to another network. Define the best path. For example, if you want to communicate with one person from another place, network communication will happen through routing. So in between the path there are so many routers. So the routing process will choose which is the best path and how fast it can be traveled to the destination point. And it controls network traffic. And it secures the data transfer from sender to receiver. And also support multiple protocols. Protocols in the sense there are so many networking protocols like HTTP, FTP, SMTP. Later session we will discuss more on that. Next we are going to hardware overview. Here I am showing one router. This is Cisco RV345 dual WAN Gigabit VPN router. It's the best router for small and mid-sized business. Here you can see the front view and back view. This is how a router looks like. And when coming to router ports, Cisco RV345 router having these many ports. There are two USB ports, USB 1 in the front panel and USB 2 in the left side. These two USB support flash drives and also support 3G or 4G modem. There are two WAN ports G45 for load balancing. There are 60 LAN ports for high performance connectivity. And in back panel there is one console port. The console port is used for router configuration. And one toggle power switch and the power connector. Next we will learn what is inside the router. The inside components are RAM, NVRAM, iOS, config register and ROM. RAM, you all familiar, the random access memory. It stores the running config. When the power fails, the running config, though the currently executing commands or the currently executing configuration stores the data. The NVRAM is a non-volatile RAM. It stores the startup config. It acts as a permanent storage. The iOS is the Inter-Network OS. It is the operating system of your router. And the config register, it stores all the commands and basic configurations. ROM is a read-only memory, controls the booting process and the POST. POST stands for Power On Self-Test. All the hardware connected are working fine. That's all about today's session. Hope you guys understood what is router and its functions, the hardware overview about all the components and ports. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you on next video. Thank you.